Welcome back to Skywalker, where we explore the pivotal moments in history that shaped the world. Today we dive into one of the bloodiest and most decisive battles in American history, the Battle of Gettysburg. It's July 1863. The Civil War has been raging for over 2 years, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Confederate General Robert E. Lee, fresh off a string of victories, leads his army north into Pennsylvania. His goal? To strike fear into the Union, disrupt their morale, and force an end to the war. Union General George Meade, newly appointed to lead the Army of the Potomac, moves quickly to intercept Lee's forces. Their paths converge at a small town in Pennsylvania, Gettysburg. On July 1st, Confederate forces clash with Union troops just outside the town. The fighting is intense, spreading across fields and streets. By the end of the day, the Confederates push the Union army back, but the Union holds the high ground at Cemetery Hill, a strategic position that could decide the battle. On July 2nd, both armies strengthen their positions. Lee orders his men to attack Union flanks in a bid to break their lines. The fighting is fierce, especially at places like Little Round Top, the Peach Orchard, and Devil's Den. Union Colonel Joshua Chamberlain and his 20th Maine Regiment make history on Little Round Top. Outnumbered and nearly out of ammunition, they launch a daring bayonet charge, forcing the Confederate attackers to retreat and holding the Union's left flank. Then comes July 3rd, the final day of the battle. Lee believes the Union center is weak and orders what will become one of the most infamous assaults in military history. Pickett's charge. 12,000 Confederate soldiers march across an open field directly into the heart of Union defenses. Union artillery rains destruction on their ranks, and rifle fire cuts through wave after wave of advancing men. It's a massacre. Half of the Confederate troops involved in the charge are killed, wounded, or captured. By the evening of July 3rd, the Confederate army retreats. The Union has won the battle. Over 3 days, more than 51,000 soldiers are dead, wounded, or missing. It is the bloodiest battle in the Civil War and a turning point for the Union. Months later, President Abraham Lincoln visits Gettysburg to deliver the Gettysburg Address. In just 272 words, he honors the fallen and reaffirms the nation's commitment to unity, freedom, and democracy. The Battle of Gettysburg wasn't just a military victory, it was a defining moment in American history. It symbolized the Union's resilience and set the stage for ultimate victory in the Civil War. Thank you for joining us on this journey into history. If you enjoyed this story, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And let us know in the comments what historical event you'd like us to explore next.